Roger. This is Gary from Roger Automation. Now I show you how to use the semi-automatic soldering machine. Okay, this is our workshop. Okay, we show you how to use, because only you know the machine very well, then you can use the machine smooth. Okay, now I teach you the function, explain the function to you. Okay, for the soldering machine. Okay. Now, when we receive the machine is adjusted, can use for USB-A connectors, okay, already adjusted, okay. Now I show you each function of the machine, okay. First, we turn on the machine, connect the L, okay. Then we turn on the machine, we choose. We turn on the machine, then we choose the English system, okay. First step, we do not use the machine, we press the button, okay. Press the button menu, okay. We check each function of the cable machine, okay. First one, we checking the wire moving, okay. You can find that this step is moving, okay. We check, know each function, okay. Then the stripping moving, okay. Each function, we press each button to check which part we are moving, okay, to know each function, okay. Okay, do like this. This is sending the tin wire. The tin wire will will send the tin wire, and also can retreat the tin wire, okay, the tin wire. 那开启啊？啊？再来那个。Okay. After this, then we reset the machine, okay. Then we can use the machine. We have to know each part, the function, okay. Now we use the machine, okay. When you receive the machine, okay, connect the L and the L compressor, then we start to use the machine, okay. We turn on the soldering station, okay. Only the temperature arrived around 315 degrees, then can solder the tin wire, okay. The tin wire, the temperature different according your tin wire quality, okay. Usually in China tin wire, the tin wire temperature is 315, okay. Now we use the machine, okay. We use the machine, okay. First we stripping the cable, okay. Stripping the cable by the stripping machine, okay. Stripping the outer jacket, then like this, okay. Now, okay, now I show you the machine, each step, okay. First, I use the manual, the semi-automatic, not use automatic version, okay. The first step, okay, after we put the cable on the cable holder, then the first step we are like this. Okay, the first step, the machine first step, we hold the cable well, okay. This is L cylinder. This one, you can see the first step, holding the cable well, okay. Then we go to the next step, half. Okay, the next step, okay, this one we are go to this one, go to there, okay. This one you can find a blade here. This one we are making the inner wire straight, okay. 有吗行啊？ 见为哪行了 ？Making the inner wire straight. 你走在 like this, okay. This is the inner wire, okay. After we put the cable holder, okay. First, this one 你做下来个腾做，来个的先个腾做。He will make the inner wire straight. 来起来动作，来下做个的来个动作。Okay, let's make this straight, okay. Now we go to next step. The next step 下一步，下一步用时间问点。Okay, you can find here. This one, he will straight the inner wire. Okay, then we go to next step. Okay, you can see the blade will go back to make the inner wire straight. Okay, then we go to next step. Okay, after this we will go to the stripping function. Okay, the next step. Okay, then the machine go to the stripping blade. You can find the inner wire on this part. We are stripping the inner wire. Okay, okay. You can find it now is stripping the inner wire. Okay. You can see the inner wire now is be stripped. Okay, the copper. You can see the copper. Okay. Now the cable wire already be stripped. Okay. Then we go to next step. Okay, now the cable wire is going to back. Then we put the connectors on the connector holder. Okay. Put the connectors. Okay. Then we press the foot controller again. Then we hold the connectors. Okay, hold the connectors. Then next step we attach it. Now the next step, then this one will go up. The cable wire, then this one, the island will go down to soldering the connectors. Yeah, 好了。Go down, then soldering. Okay, yeah. Sure. Like this cable now already be soldering. This is the manual step. Okay, I show you each step of the cable soldering. Okay, now I show you the automatic mode. Okay, automatic working video. Okay, now we all reset the ground. Now I show you. Okay. First we put the cable wire on the cable holder. Okay. Okay. Then the next step, we put the connectors on this cable holder. Okay. Then we press the foot controller again. Then we'll come back soldering the connectors. Yeah. Like this, OK。最關鍵嘅一步係用是去調嗰啲。OK, now this is the machine working video. OK, now now I teach you how to change the connectors for now we assemble is the USB-A connector. Now I teach you how to use the micro connectors. Okay, because many customers want to soldering full connectors. Now I teach you how to change the connectors. Okay, 可以 change. First 開始準備好點啊。Okay, if we want to solder in the micro connectors, first we find the tooling inside. Now we change the tooling. We change this part. This part is okay. Only this part. This part change, and this one change is okay. And also the Allen bit have to change because this one is for the USB-A connectors. The micro connector is more smaller. We have to change the Allen bit. Now I show you how to do. Okay, the first step 鐵盤咪調嘅啦。鐵盤紅嗰度。The first step we change the connector holder. Okay, now I teach you how to use. 嚟電過嚟。 电量在这边一个的，随便点的。
那是没子。
关了记忆的嘛，腾个子，进水腾。
这个腾。
啊？OK。关了呀。
当到中了。
For the new worker, if you change the tooling, you have to better turn off the machine. Okay. Otherwise, easy damage the fingers. Okay. First, we take out the tooling. Now we assemble the tooling. Assemble the micro tooling. Okay. 吹电螺丝姑娘。瞧呢。要么成天挺危险了。Now the next one we change this one. This one holder also have to change. All the tooling cannot get matched. Okay, different connectors. The holder size is different.
那个麦克的螺丝头跟上剪套。快点，快点。
你那装好的哒？你咋调吗？你要改的没吗？
搞一天能改的没
？Okay. The next step we change the island bit. Okay. 你行。Okay. When you change this one, you have to turn off this one. Okay. Turn off the soldering station. Otherwise, here is very hot. 给它点个。上剪刀那个。
这个套子。有红吗？
你给它可以用吗？
可以。
啊？也用可以啊。
你这个接头了，这个长。
没事。
那个按摩。
爱还没事。没事，那个都没事。
是可以用可以。
可以用。Okay, this one, the island bit is smaller than the USB-A version. Okay, the size a little smaller. Okay. This one is very important to keep the island bit horizontal, same as this one, this side. Horizontal, this one. 大概是的数了。Now we go into the most important step. Okay, we have to turn off the air. Okay, we have to confirm the location. First, we we go down, go down the island. Okay, to 你讲那个是。
确实，对不起。
We have to set the island, the pin in the middle of the pin. So we have to move this part, go out a little. 得整个像哦。
左右。
You can find that this one go too much, so we have to go back a little in the middle. Then we adjust in this one.
点那个大。
可以啊，那还不总上咋呀？
先压手进，你们给它调。
First, we assemble this one, not lock too tight, okay? Because we have to adjusting the position. We put it on this, then we go down this one. 感觉要是枪疼啊。
轻一点。
给大家调一下。
给它也可以调。
你得彩掉啊？
就得给它转子出去。
彩掉用咋的呀？
那就省的。上海转没事。
When we adjusting this one cable holder, we have to check these two this one and this one cannot clash. Okay, have to this is very important. Each time you adjust the machine, must turn off the air. We check. Okay. You can find a little gap cannot crash, otherwise we will damage the tooling. Okay, then we check we adjusting the tool. Okay, make the 你先一边 You can find the gap. 加上了。Okay, this gap, this one and this one must in the same line. The gap, we adjusting this one. Okay, okay, like this. The cable, when we put the cable inside, can hold the cable like this. Must be same line, the gap. If you 你给我电视机了没？ Okay. If like this, then cannot hold the cable. Cannot hold the cable. This one, full line must in same. So we have to adjusting a little. 你哩？
我那边。
You can see some must same like this. You can see this part. This is full line. Okay, this is very important. Then we lock the screw to lock this part, to fix this one. Okay. And also another part. This one is the pipe to blow the air, to blow this one, to blow the Allen bit. After each soldering, okay, some tin wire still on the bit, so we have to blow the tin wire to make next soldering better. Okay, in the middle of the bit. Okay. 可以的嘛？
来试一下嘛。
After everything, 可以。长度对啊。
试下，要试一下个动作没有。长了点。长了点。
冲了的，那样冲的。
对，是捧在里边了。
哦，就要补充，就要调那个，调补皮啊嘛。You can see the connectors. Okay, this is the micro connectors. Before we are this sighting, stripping sighting is for USB-A connector. Now we use micro connector. You can find the inner wire too long. Okay, so we have to adjusting the inner wire stripping and cutting, make it shorter. Okay. 还要怎样？还要怎样？看到这螺丝，看到调节这嘛子。
괜찮아.
关了灯。可以吗？
啊，还要往下洗。
Okay, after we setting everything okay, then we also have to change the thin wire. Okay, for the micro connectors, we have to use 0.8 mm the thin wire. For USB-A, it's 1 mm. Okay, 你们下次啥？
阿伟拿个0.8的锡纸来。
拿着。
要换？
换，好的。After you put the thin wire inside, we can use manual setting control. Okay. Send the thin wire. We press this button. Send the thin wire. The thin wire will go on. The thin wire will automatically come. we make the island go down a little more. More than that. Okay, we adjusting like this is okay because we don't have the connector in hand now. So we adjusting like this. You try, you can fix it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now this two one I have two data I have to think that data I have to let you know. Okay. We press the menu button, okay? Because now we are use the motor. You are use this motor to control this one. We have to this one is very important. The position, okay? The position 2.3, okay? We press the wire moving, okay? You can see the wire moving is 10.9. It's control this part go to how much, okay? And the stripping. Let's back up. Chính cái gì tao về. Okay, these two data is very important. This one, position of the stripping wire, position of the soldering wire. These two data is control this part going to wire, which position have to stop. Okay, like the stripping part. Okay. 那咱要是调给它位置，要是的坑子调给它，要是的缺点给它位置，给它给些。你这干子修成一级啊？没变吗 ？Okay, we turn off the L, we press the wire moving 嘛，停点在嘛。We press the wire moving, okay. You can find this part is moving, okay. 听得着？听得着？Okay. We press this the stripping part, stripping moving, okay. These two part, we can control this one. We have to control this one in the middle of the blade, okay. 你先讲嘛。We press, you can find this one. We press this button. We can this one show the position. Okay. After we confirm, we have to insert this one. Usually the machine no need to adjusting this part. You have just know this function is okay. This one is control the position. You can see now the machine we have to adjust in the middle of the knife, okay. We go back to the sighting function. You can find this one, this two sighting, this two data. 一般调自己动咋调嘛，知道吧 ？Usually this two data no need to adjusting the for the connectors, different connector no need to adjust, okay. OK now
你用刀子调那个针，
调那个
给它往这个位置。
红这个位置。
先调的便宜嘛。
哎呀，这个是空的，说完。Now I 再把一根红锤。Now I show you again to make the change it back to the USB-A connectors. Okay. Change again. Turn off the machine. Turn off the L. Okay. 哇，大回起来可以哦。You can turn. You must turn off the machine. Okay. The L can no need turn off. 过到87嘛，毛几多边的屋里添个新东西，买了一根，你调定就张中也好搞错。这样行了吗？那个。
动。
给他照着那跳。 不比强，又要掉。
又一条。这上调完调都可以把一根给那这边一根给把那个洗，因为这个位置呢，那里有把 A 弓的端子，哪里端子？在那里对。快点啊！
Don't forget to change the tin well. Đó là thiếu hụt hại rồi. Okay, now actually the machine is not very difficult. You have to spend some time to search the machine, to know the machine, to know the theory of the machine. Okay, 可以啊。Now it's very good now, okay?